Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to remove your profile photo in Signal app on iPhone. So this is my iPhone device, so let's start. So first of all you have to open your Signal app. So here is my Signal app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and after that you have to tap on your profile photo at the top left. And then again you have to tap on your profile photo. And I have this profile, this screen opened, and on this screen you can see here we have this camera icon, so you have to tap on this. Okay, and I have this menu, so here we have this remove photo, this link, so you have to tap on this remove photo, this link. Let me tap on this, and you can see it's now removed. And after that just tap on this save link at the top right. So let me tap on this. So it's saving and it's now done. You can see here we have this profile photo removed. After that, just tap on this done link at the top left. So that's it. In this way, you can easily remove your profile photo in Signal app on iPhone. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.